Welcome back to 90 Below Quick Hits, where we bring you Illustrator tips in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're diving into the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator, a powerful tool for creating 3D-like designs. Let's jump in and keep it quick. First, let's activate the perspective grid. Hit Shift plus P or click on the perspective grid icon in the toolbar. You'll see a 2-point perspective grid pop up by default. This is great for drawing objects that look like they're in a 3D space. Want to adjust the grid? Click on the grid handles. You can move the vanishing points, adjust the horizon line, or scale the grid to fit your scene. It's super flexible for any design. The grid has 3 planes, left, right, and horizontal. To switch between them, press 1 for the left plane, 2 for the horizontal plane, and 3 for the right plane. You'll notice the grid color changes to help you know which plane you're working on. Now, let's create a simple 3D scene. Select the rectangle tool, M, and while on the left plane by hitting 1, and I'm going to draw a rectangle here. Switch to the right plane, 3, and draw another rectangle. To fill in the bottom, switch to the horizontal plane, 2, and I'm going to add a rectangle here. For the left rectangle, I think that I will keep the orange. For the right, I don't know, how about a dark red, and the bottom, how about I fill with a nice gray. To move or scale objects in perspective, use the Perspective Selection tool, Shift plus V. This lets you move your objects along the grid without distorting them. Select your object and drag it around. It will stay locked to the grid's perspective. To turn off the perspective grid, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Control plus Shift plus I on PC, or on Mac, hit Command plus Shift plus I. Alternatively, you can always go to the View menu and select Perspective Grid, then Hide Show Grid. And that's how you use the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. It's perfect for giving your designs a 3D look without any complicated steps. I hope this video gave you a new perspective. You see what I did there? Have a look around our website and sign up for VIP access along with our social media channels for more great tutorials, tips, and other helpful products. Thanks for watching, and I'll show myself out.